In the previous video, we actually discussed about certain definitions of management. Now, in this video, let's we get into the second point in the syllabus. Second point in the syllabus, that is nothing but importance. In the importance, the topic in the importance, the next topic is nature and characteristics of management. Okay, nature and characteristics of management. Now, before getting to the brief introduction, now let's we take down these points. Management is goal oriented. Management is universal. Management is an art as well as science. Management is a profession. Management is an activity. Multidisciplinary knowledge. Management is distinct from ownership. Management is needed at all levels. Integrated and continuous process. Okay. Now let's we take down first topic, that is nothing but management is goal oriented. Of course, it is a goal oriented. Why it is a goal oriented? What do you mean by this goal oriented? Every organization has a set of predetermined goals or objectives. Of course, every institution, every company, ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಕಡೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೊರಟಿದೀವಿ, ಏನನ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೊರಟಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಗುರಿನ ತಲುಪಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ of course, okay, for example, our telecom companies like BSN, Airtel, Vodafone, Geo, they have certain different types of goals. For example, Infosys, TCS, these software companies have different types of objectives. So any companies have some of the objectives. Okay, hence management helps these organizations in fulfilling their goals by utilizing the given limited resources in the best optimum manner. Of course, in management, every organization have different types of objectives. In order to accomplish, we are going to accomplish those objectives in an effective manner with a limited resources in the best optimal manner. Okay, so ನಾವು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಗುರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, for example, one take down on the example. If the objective of Airtel is to add a billion, what do you mean by billion? 1 billion is equal to 100 crore Airtel extreme customers in a year, then all of its managerial activities will be directed toward the achievement of this objective. Okay, ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಏರ್ಟೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಏರ್ಟೆಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ 100 crore ಪೀಪಲ್ ನ ಏರ್ಟೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸೆಳಿಬೇಕು 1 year ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಥವಾ ಗೋಲ್ ನ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಫರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, IPL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಗುರಿನ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು took. Okay, so this is the example for management is a goal oriented. Then next one, management is universal. Why this management is universal? Of course, it is not limited for companies, institutions, not limited. It is everywhere. For example, profit companies ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, profitable companies ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ the management ಅನ್ನೋದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that's why management is universal concept that is essential to the functioning of any organization, whether it may be small business, a multinational corporation, or even a non-profit organization. At its core, management involves organizing resources and directing activities towards achieving specific goals. So universal management is universal ಅಂದ್ರೆ management is for every organization. It may be non-profitable, it may be profitable. Profitable organization example ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ Infosys, TCS, Accenture, those are all the profitable organization. Non-profitable organization ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ education sector, NGOs, these are all the non-organization sector. Non-profitable sectors. Sorry. The third point is management is an art as well as science. Of course, how management is both art and science. What do you mean by science? Art. First, now let's discuss about art. How management is an art. Managing is the art of arts because it organization and use human talent. Of course, art is nothing but artistic skills, personal skills, technique, talents. Okay, with the help of these skills, we can say management is an art. Practical knowledge, personal skills, creativity. With the help of creativity, we are going to achieve the certain objectives of the goal. Perfection through practice, goal oriented. These are all the art of the management science. What do you mean by science? Management follows a systematic method to find possible solution for a problem. Of course, science is nothing but a mathematics or certain formulas, certain theoretical certain laws. Okay, in the laws, in the mathematics, we are going to follow certain steps in order to solve the problem. So that's why this management is both art and science. Science art means talent, personal skills, personality skills. Science means it's a we are going to follow certain technical step flow chart in order to solve the problem. So that's why our management is both art and science. Okay. Uh, how management is an art. I already explained. To manage efficiently, one must have not only the necessary abilities to lead, but also set a critical skills acquired through time, experience, and practice. How management is a science is obtaining information about a particular object by systematic pattern of observation, study, practice, experiments, and investigation. Management, of course, management is science and art. Okay, and then management is a profession. Of course, some of the peoples are going to choose it is a as a profession. Why? Because management is a recognized as a profession with systematic and specialized body of knowledge. Management is an activity. Of course, management is an activity which is concerned with efficient utilization of human and non-human resources of production. Okay, multidisciplinary knowledge. It contains principles drawn from many fields, social sciences, in particular psychology, sociology. Okay, management is distinct from ownership. Of course, management is not a ownership. It is very, it has distinct, it is a different from ownership. Okay, management is needed at all levels. Of course, there is three types of levels: low level, middle level, top level management. If you want to apply for all the levels, integrated and integrated and integrated and integrated and integrated and continuous process. Of course, it is the management is going to integrate it with every part. So that's why it is an integrated and continuous process. Okay.